Welcome to CareerBot, your comprehensive tool for navigating the job market. Today, we'll walk you through how to use CareerBot to find jobs, understand required skills, and prepare your application materials. Let's get started. CareerBot interface opens with a friendly, welcoming design. The bot sets a friendly tone and provides essential information, inviting the user to engage with the bot by asking user's first name. In order to continue, user must enter his/her name. User can use any name or nickname. By using CareerBot, you agree to the terms of use, which can be found by clicking the provided link. CareerBot, powered by artificial intelligence, can respond very quickly. However, if you find this pace unsettling, you can customize how fast you'd like CareerBot to reply. How quickly would you like CareerBot to respond? You can choose from 5 response speed options. Very fast. CareerBot will reply almost instantly, ideal if you prefer quick interactions and immediate responses. Moderately fast. Slightly slower than the fastest setting, providing quick responses while giving you a bit more time to read and think. Average. A balanced speed that offers a comfortable pace for most users, combining responsiveness with a manageable reading speed. Moderately slow. This setting slows down the replies, giving you ample time to process the information and reflect on your next input. Very slow. The slowest setting, perfect if you prefer a relaxed pace and need extra time to consider each response. Here are the main services CareerBot offers. Demand for jobs and skills. Get up-to-date information on the current demand for various jobs and the skills required in your chosen region. The bot supports partners countries, Austria, Ireland, Spain, and Greece. Info on jobs and skills. Learn about different job roles, their responsibilities, and the skills you need to succeed, sourced from the ESCO database, the classification of European skills, competences, and occupations. Job Finder. Search for job openings based on your preferred location, contract type, and the latest advertisements. CV writing. Access tips and guidelines on how to craft a standout CV that showcases your skills and experience effectively. Cover letter. Get advice on writing a compelling cover letter that complements your CV and grabs the attention of potential employers. Interview. Prepare for your interviews with expert tips on how to answer common questions and present yourself confidently. Contact. If you need further assistance, you can reach out for more personalized help. Let's explore the demand for jobs and skills using CareerBot. At the moment, CareerBot supports data for the project partners' countries: Austria, Ireland, Greece, and Spain. To get started, CareerBot will ask you for your country. Once you select your country, CareerBot will provide a wealth of information about the demand for jobs and skills in your chosen region. You can choose from several detailed reports and projections. Discover the most requested skills in your country for the past year, helping you understand what employers are looking for. Learn about projected employment changes, giving you insight into which industries and occupations are expected to grow or decline. Get detailed forecasts on employment growth over the next decade, helping you plan your career path strategically. Find out the total job openings expected in various occupations, so you can target fields with the highest demand. If you want to explore other services or return to the main menu, you can always go back. Now, let's explore the Info on Jobs and Skills service offered by CareerBot. This feature provides detailed descriptions of various jobs and the skills needed for each. CareerBot starts by greeting you and explaining its capabilities. You can get job descriptions and the skills required for each role. You can search for job descriptions. This option allows you to type in the job title you're interested in and get a detailed overview of the role. If you want to explore other services or return to the main menu, you can always go back. Let's try searching for a job description. Type in the job title you're interested in, like welder. CareerBot identifies multiple job titles related to your search. You can choose the one that best matches your interest. For instance, you see a list of related job titles such as welder, welding coordinator, boilermaker, ornamental metal worker, battery assembler, spot welder, welding inspector, laser beam welder, welding engineer, and electron beam welder. Click on the job title that seems closest to what you're looking for. Let's select welder. CareerBot now provides a detailed job description for welder based on ESCO database. Next, CareerBot offers several options for further actions. You can back to list. Return to the list of related job titles if you want to explore other options. See skills and knowledge. View the specific skills and knowledge required for the welder role. About skills and knowledge. Learn more about the skills and knowledge categories. Search for another job. Start a new job search if you're interested in a different role. Back to main options. Return to the main menu to explore other CareerBot services. This feature helps you get a comprehensive understanding of the job requirements, making it easier for you to prepare and apply for such roles. Let's explore the specific skills and knowledge required for the welder role. CareerBot provides a detailed list of essential skills to help you understand what is needed for this job. Those skills are from ESCO database, and you can navigate through the skills list by using the arrows or the dots in the skills widget. Now, let's explore the Job Finder feature of CareerBot, designed to help you find job vacancies quickly and efficiently. CareerBot greets you and introduces the Job Finder service, ready to assist you in your job search. CareerBot suggests including both the job title and location in your search query for more accurate results. For example, you could search for chef in Greece or marketing manager in Spain. Let's try searching for a chef in Greece. CareerBot offers options to narrow your search. You can specify the type of job, such as full-time or part-time, and the date when the job was first advertised. Select full-time and month to narrow down your search. CareerBot presents in a widget the job listings based on your criteria. You can navigate through the skills list by using the arrows in the skills widget. If you want to apply for a job, just click on the Apply button to open the respective page for job application. You can now choose to search for another job or return to the main options. Now, let's explore the CV writing feature of CareerBot, designed to help you create a compelling CV that stands out to employers. CareerBot greets you and introduces the CV writing service, ready to guide you through the process. CareerBot asks if you have created a CV before. Let's say you haven't. If you're new to CV writing, CareerBot offers a helpful tutorial video from Europass, explaining how to create an effective CV. CareerBot also provides a short video with essential sections to include in your CV and some useful tips. Let's watch this video for more detailed guidance. If you prefer to skip the video, CareerBot can guide you to advice on writing cover letters or preparing for interviews, ensuring you're fully prepared for your job application process. Now, let's explore the cover letter feature of CareerBot, designed to help you draft a compelling cover letter to complement your CV. CareerBot greets you and introduces the cover letter service, ready to guide you through the process. Bot advises you to have your CV ready, as your cover letter should complement it and provide additional context about your application. A cover letter serves as an introduction to your CV, highlighting why you are a suitable candidate for the position. If you want to learn more, CareerBot offers detailed guidance on writing a cover letter. CareerBot emphasizes the importance of researching your potential employer to tailor your cover letter effectively. Knowing the name and title of the head of the department or HR manager can help personalize your cover letter. Including the name and title of the relevant contact person adds a personal touch and demonstrates your attention to detail. Your cover letter should emphasize the skills and experiences that make you a strong candidate for the job. CareerBot also offers a short video with essential tips for writing an effective cover letter. Finally, you can choose to return to the main options or proceed to the CV or interview sections for more guidance. Now, let's explore the interview preparation section of CareerBot, designed to help you get ready for your job interviews. CareerBot starts by confirming if you're ready to begin your interview preparation. CareerBot starts the interview preparation process. CareerBot offers several videos with tips and advice on key aspects of interview preparation. Let's watch a video on how to make a good first impression. CareerBot emphasizes the importance of tailoring your interview preparation to the specific job you're applying for. Let's continue to the examples of popular job roles and the key skills to highlight during your interview. Let's take a closer look at the general operative role. CareerBot provides a sample job advertisement to help you understand what employers are looking for. CareerBot highlights the key skills and characteristics to emphasize during your interview for a general operative role. If you want to explore more examples or return to the main options, you can do so at any time. Now, let's explore the contact section of CareerBot, where you can find useful contacts to support you in your job search and offer personal counseling. CareerBot starts by providing you with a helpful contact email. You can reach out to this address for personal counseling and support in your job search. Additionally, CareerBot directs you to the CareerBot website, where you can find a comprehensive list of useful contacts. Visit https://careerbot.eu contact points to explore more resources and get the support you need. Let's explore now how to use the interface buttons of CareerBot, which can be found at the top right corner of the chat window. These buttons offer various functionalities to enhance your experience. Let's go through each one. The first button has a trash bin icon. When pressed, it deletes the current conversation. This is especially useful when you are using CareerBot on public computers in places like internet cafes and libraries. The second button has a counterclockwise arrow. This resets the conversation, which is helpful if the bot gets stuck or you want to start over. The third button features a downward arrow. This allows you to download the current conversation in text format. The fourth button has a bulleted list icon. When clicked, it shows a list of your previous conversations. The fifth button has an X icon. This minimizes the chat window. To open it again, simply click the black button in the bottom right corner of the screen. These buttons are designed to make your interaction with CareerBot seamless and efficient. Whether you need to delete, reset, download, review, or minimize your conversation, CareerBot's interface has you covered. Thank you for taking the time to explore CareerBot with us. We hope this screencast has shown you how CareerBot can assist you in your job search. From finding job opportunities and understanding required skills to preparing your CV, writing cover letters, and getting ready for interviews. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors with CareerBot.